In this video, we'll be walking you through how to use the analytics in TeamGate CRM and why it might be the right tool for your business needs. But stick around because we'll also be sharing a powerful alternative with even more features that could elevate your analytics game. You'll want to watch till the end, trust me. So, how do you use analytics in TeamGate CRM? Well, first, let's dive into what the software offers. TeamGate provides a simple, visual dashboard that gives you real-time insights into your sales pipeline, customer engagement, and overall team performance. You can see where leads are in the pipeline and identify any bottlenecks that might slow down your sales process. It's a clear, easy to understand interface that's helpful for both managers and salespeople. But it's not all sunshine. There are a few limitations that we'll get into later. Next thing, let's talk about data tracking. TeamGate lets you track various KPIs like sales volume, win rates, and activity levels. This is useful, but where it falls short is in its customization. Unlike some other CRM platforms, you can't fully tailor the analytics dashboard to suit specific metrics you want to track. You're stuck with preset options, which might not be enough for teams with more complex needs. The third thing, let's go over the reporting capabilities. TeamGate offers customizable reports, which is great if you're looking for detailed analytics on how your team is performing over a certain period. You can pull data on leads, deals, activities, and revenue, but there's a catch: TeamGate doesn't offer advanced reporting features like some other CRM tools that let you deep dive into segmented data, making it less flexible in comparison. Now, the fourth thing to note, data visualization. TeamGate does a good job of presenting your data in easy-to-read charts, graphs, and tables. These visuals make understanding your sales trends much easier, but again, it could be more comprehensive. While you can view pipeline trends, it doesn't have advanced graphing features that you might find in other platforms, which could limit your ability to analyze the data in depth. The fifth thing, automated analytics. In TeamGate, you can automate reports to be sent out to your team, which is a time saver. However, this feature is pretty basic compared to other CRM software, which offer more robust automation tools like automatic updates based on triggers or actions within your pipeline. Finally, here's where TeamGate shines: its simplicity. If you're a smaller business or a startup, it's a straightforward solution that gets the job done without overwhelming you with too many features. But if you're looking for a CRM with more advanced analytics capabilities or greater customization, TeamGate might not be the perfect fit. Now, you're probably wondering, is there something better? Well, yes. While TeamGate is great for simple, basic analytics, we've got an exclusive deal for you on a competitor CRM that offers deeper insights and much more customization. This tool not only provides more powerful analytics, but also integrates seamlessly with other software to give you even more data points to work with. It offers a better suite of tools that align with your business goals, whether you're looking to dig deeper into your data or automate more of your analytics processes. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial available only to our viewers. Plus, we've also got some amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs, and those also come with a free trial. Don't miss out on the best deals available. Go ahead and check out the link and let us know what you think.